All right. Good evening, everyone. Sorry, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to this session today. Sorry, I've been trying to set up this for a while now, but then network issues and some work that I just needed to do. So I guess that's why I'm sending this, or that's why I'm recording this by this time. So I apologize for that. So when you get your Clipchamp, I believe by now most of us have done that, both your laptop and PC. If you are using both your phone and your PC. If you are using a phone, you should be able to log in after changing your site to desktop mode. And if you are using a laptop, then that's perfect. This works very well on laptop. So you don't have an excuse to say that okay, I don't have a laptop, I couldn't create an account. Yesterday we explained how you can create an account. So immediately you log into your Clipchamp, this is how it's going to look like exactly. This is how it's going to look like. And this is a live class I'm recording today. So there's no extra update that is going to change the interface as at the time I'm recording. So you can see create new video, create video with AI. So if you scroll down, you will see different features, and you see some. These are some of the works I did here on Clipchamp. All these are my editings that I did on Clipchamp. So you can see this is software I've been using, and it has been very sweet so far. It has been sweet to use. So when you go on Clipchamp, the first thing you do is just click on create new video. So once you click on create new video, it's going to take you to an interface where you are going to do your work. That's the editor, where you are going to put in the script you have, the images you have, which I believe by now we all know how to record those things. Are we together now? We all know how to record those things. So the first thing you do after coming to this place, you can see the size here. You can see the size of the video. We want to create, of course, the landscape video for YouTube and streaming site. Then you click on it to set it. It means so every video I'm going to make here is going to be the landscape YouTube's size standard. Now after that, you can see record and create content library, template, text, transitions. All of these are the features that Clipchamp has. But what we are going to do first, we are going to import media. You can see import media here. You click on import media so you can import your images first. You can see it's taking me to my file manager. So when you go there, you click and select all the images you want to use for that particular video you are creating. So you select the images you are using for that particular uh video you are creating. You can see it's loading. It's going to load all the images here. After it loads the images, we are going to use them for the content creation. You can see the images here. So you already pick them accordingly. You arrange them according to how you generate them for scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 till the end. So you can see my scene 1 is here. You click on it. You can see it entered here. Then 2, you add. You click on it. 2 plus 3. You plus the fourth one, plus the fifth, the sixth, and you scroll the sixth. You can see this line. You scroll from here. Then 7, 8 bar 9, 10 and 11. You can see how you add them. So as you are clicking them, they are going to be adding up into this particular place. So what you do now is you can see the plus and minus icon here. This is to zoom in, zoom out, and zoom in. So we are going to zoom in so we can be able to see all our pictures. So you can see the effect bar. I'm zooming in now so I can be able to have access to all my pictures here, because all of these things are the pictures we've generated. So after importing the pictures just as we did, the next thing you do is to go to your script. The script you have, maybe you have copied it on your Microsoft Word, you must have copied it on your notepad, or it's in your ChatGPT, wherever it is. You just go and copy that particular script. I've not copied mine, but I believe it should be here. it should be here. Just give let's give it some minutes to load because good. So you can see our script is here. These are the prompts. My script should be up. So you just go to your script. You go to your script and copy it wherever it is. Maybe on your notepad, on your ChatGPT, on your Microsoft Word, wherever it is, you just go and copy. You copy the edited version. You copy the edited version, of course, which I believe we all have. This is the edited version I have here. You copy without the title. You just copy the body of the script. You just copy the body of the script. Then we proceed. Okay, my ChatGPT is a bit slow, but let's just manage it gradually. So you copy the entire script, everything from the beginning to the end. You copy everything. So let me just leave it here and press Ctrl C so I can just copy. So now, after you do that, you just let me just paste it on my Word and see how it looks like so that we cannot be making mistakes. So just take your time and get the best. Take your time and create the best. It's a very simple process, so you should at least just sacrifice your time to be able to get the right thing done. Okay. Aha. So you can see this is our script. It's very neat. It's looking very neat and clean. So what we'll just do is for me to just copy my thing or cut it. Then we go back to our Clipchamp. We'll go back to our Clipchamps. Now, after coming to our Clipchamp, you can see there are different features here. So what we'll do next is we want to insert the text. We want to insert the text on the. We want to add the voiceover now. We want to convert our text to voiceover. What you do now, you can see after media, you can see record and create here by your left hand side. This place that my cursor is touching. Record and create. So you click on record and create. When you click on record and create, you see different options here. You can see screen and camera record, camera screen. So this screen and camera record is something you can use. Maybe you want to teach people something, or you want to do a class and you want your face to be showing. You can use this option. Camera alone, you want to talk on the camera, record a video, you can do this. Then screen alone, you want to just record your screen while you speak. This is the option you use. So this is another extra extra bonus I'm giving you. So you can see audio, then you can see text to speech. Text to speech is what we are going to use. So we are going to convert that text, that particular script, to speech. So what you do now is just click on text to speech. Once you click on text to speech, before clicking on text to speech, just drag this thing from to the beginning. You can see this. While you drag it to the beginning, then you click on text to speech. When you click on text to speech, you can see this particular space coming out. So after this particular place comes out, now obviously we are using English, and we want to be using United States English because that's the audience we are targeting. English, United States. Then the voice. Now for the voice, there are different voices here. There's Ada, there's Eva, there's Adams, there's Alessio. Like there are multiple voices here that you can choose, but the one that I use mainly is Adam. I use Adam mainly, and it's like his voice is good for narrating of stories. And when I play it, you are going to um, hear how it sounds like. Then you can see this place text, add pause. Then you can see type what you like to say. Type what you like to say. So when you click on it, as this bar is blinking, you just paste that script, that your script that you generated yesterday, you paste it here. Now this particular one have limit of the number of words it takes. Maximum, it takes 7,500 characters. So what you do when you paste it like this and it's much, you just try to reduce it. You reduce it, then you create it twice. Are we together now? You can share your script. If your script is long, you can share your script into two. Are you together? And I'm trying to reduce it because this is already much. Or what will happen now is, let me delete this one. Then let's go back to our Word document. But let's go back to our document. Then we share the script into two. Control Z undo. So we share the script into two so that we'll know. Wow, this no wonder this is a whole lot. We copied plus extra rubbish. Okay, so what will happen now is let me see where the exact one we want starts, then we can just work with it. Okay, we copied together with image prompts. So exactly, so from here up, that's our script. Here, these ones we delete them. Let me paste it back. So you can see our script is just 3 pages now. Okay, five, a lot of pages. So let's copy the first part, the first four. Yeah, let's do the first four to avoid complications. So once we copy the first four, you go back to here now. Type what you want to say. This place, you paste it here. Now, after pasting, you can see it has entered. Then you click on save. You can see save, it's loading. So as it's loading, it's processing this text now to voice. It's processing the text to voice. So let's see, let's just give it time to finish processing. Then we'll now see what we can do. So after it's finishes doing this first one, you can go back, copy that second one, and repeat the same process. Add the text, select the voice, and paste it here. Then it will now join. You can now join it to make the complete voice over, because this one is just half, and I'm not going to do that other one because of time. But it's the same thing. You just add it again, and it's going to give you the complete voice over of the script. So let's just give it some time. It's still loading. It takes roughly 3 to 5 minutes to convert the text to speech. It's a serious work, so that's why it takes time. Plus the fact that our network in Nigeria is somehow, most especially in my room, the network is terrible. So let's just wait and see. Once it's done, it's going to notify us. So you can see it's done. So now let's play our video and see how it looks like. Let's play our video and see how it looks like.
On a quiet Sunday morning, something about Sarah Mitchell's house felt wrong. From the outside, everything looked ordinary. Her car was parked
So you can
neatly in
see
the driveway.
this
The
stage,
lawn was
we have
trimmed,
imported the
the
images
mailbox
and we have
closed, and the
converted
curtains
our
hung
text to
exactly
speech.
where they all.
So you can see we have converted our text to speech and it's sounding sweet already, even before doing some serious editing. It's sounding sweet. So what we do now, you click on this arrow. You can see here we have captions, we have text to speech, we have volume, fade in, speed, and whatsoever. So we won't be doing much of this one, but if you want to put the caption, you can just click on caption. When you click on caption, it will convert. It will take time to convert this text. It will be showing, it will be writing the caption here, which is interesting. If you want to do that, you just click on caption, it will do that. But I don't have the time because we will have other things to do. But this is just, you just click on caption, it will process it. That's all. That's very simple. So now, after doing that, you can see that the voiceover is longer than the images we have. Of course, it has to be. It is longer than the images. So now, what you do now is from here, you tap on the image one, you click on it. After tapping on it, then you move your cursor to the end of the image one. You can see it has changed from the hand to an arrow. So you right click and drag. You right click and drag. You can see it's expanding. So now you don't just drag carelessly. You carefully go through and listen to the voiceover. As you are listening to the voiceover, you know where the next image is supposed to come in. So that's where you drag this image. Let's say it's supposed to end here so that the next scene is going to appear. Then you just end here. Then the next scene, you do the same thing. Are we together now? You do the same thing for the next one. You also listen to where is it supposed to show the next person. It's not like, okay, it's showing Nuhu is on his way to Sukwa. Then after that, my image is showing who is on his way to Sukwa. Then the next thing is saying, okay, he's on his bed already, but the image is saying something else. So you have to take your time carefully and arrange them accordingly. Arrange them accordingly. So you just arrange. I'm just, for the sake of class and for the sake of time, I'm just going to adjust. But this is how you adjust. You click when your cursor is or at the end, it will turn to an arrow. You left click, sorry, and drag. Then you can remember our zoom in, zoom out. So we zoom in so that we can fit in all the images. You can see that the next one should be this one. Okay, so let me zoom out a little bit so I can have sufficient space to enjoy the adjustment. So you can see, you just adjust this one, then the next one, the next image, you also adjust. So I'm just doing it because I don't have enough time, but when you are doing it, please, you listen so that you know when to end your adjustment and where the next one is going to come. So after that, now you just play your
Sunday morning. Something about Sarah Mitchell's house felt wrong. From the outside, everything looked ordinary. Her car was parked neatly in the driveway. The lawn was
now.
trimmed.
This is it. This is how you edit your video. You can see it's very simple and straightforward. You just import your images, import after importing your images, you convert your text to speech, and that's all. Then the next thing is, of course, import media will still import a sound. You will need a background sound to make the stuff easy and sweet for you. We are going to show you where you can download some of this background sound, but for me, I used to create the sound myself using AI. I'm also going to teach you how you can use those sounds to, sorry, how you can use that tool also to create the sounds for you. I think I deleted some of the sounds I had. So, but this is just how you can do it. You just click on import media, then you come to your file manager. I think I deleted these sounds. I was supposed to have, okay, this yeah, I've not deleted it. So you just click on it, then you open. Now, after you open, it's also going to, just as the images were added, the sound is also going to be added. So let's see. Loading item for your video. This won't take long. Of course, it shouldn't take long. All right, so you can see it's loading 12%, 17, 21, and stuffs like that. It's still loading. So after it loads, we are also going to add it to our work. We are going to add it to our work. Okay. $93, $96, $100. Perfect. All right, so now what you do is you click on it, you left click, you drag. You drag it and you drop where you want it to be. You can see it's coming up. Drag it again. I want it to be below the voice over. So now after putting it here, then you play and you
On a quiet Sunday morning, something about Sarah Mitchell's house felt wrong. From the outside, everything looked ordinary. Her car was parked.
So you can see we have the videos, sorry, we have the images, we have the voiceover, and we have the background sound. So for the background sound, you can click on it. Then here you can see audio by your right. You can see. Then you click on it. When you click on audio, you see the option to reduce the volume of the background sound. And obviously, you're supposed to reduce the volume of the background sound to roughly 30 or 50. You just play. Let's hear how it sounds.
Neatly in the driveway. The lawn was trimmed. The
You
mailbox.
you can now see that the voice is clear, the background sound is just there, cool, and it makes it sweet and engaging for the listener. So now the sound is not up to the end. So what you do is right click this. When you right click, you can see duplicate. You duplicate so that you can see it has added. You also right click and duplicate till it fits into the end of the story. Are we together now? So after this whole thing, the next thing, of course, our video is ready. Our video is ready. Our video is ready. So what you do now from here is just for you to play. You play your video, you listen
Lily
to how it
Plain
is.
Park. Birthday cakes decorated with bright candles.
Now, then you minimize from your zoom in, sorry, instead of you zoom out so that it will reduce the distance. Then you scroll back up from here so that you can see the images. Now, after from here, now the next thing now is you want to add transitions. You want to add transition between the images so that it will not just end from one image and just enter to another image without any smooth movement. So what you do next now is you can see, you come back to the icons by your left hand side. You can see transition. You click on transition. When you click on transition, different transitions are going to come up. Different transitions are going to come up. So what you do now is you pick a particular transition you want. So let's say I'm going with this one, or anyone. You just copy the transition. Sorry, you left click on it. You left click, you drag. When you drag, you can see when it comes here, you can see plus. So you just place it here. Once you put it here where the plus is, the transition is going to add to that particular scene automatically. You do the same thing for the next one. You left click, you drag, you drop. Network is slow, but that's just it. It's very simple. You click on it, you left click, you drag, you drop for the next scene. Network is bad. Network wants to mess up with the whole work. But then that's how you do it. You can see the first one has already entered. The second one is misbehaving. The network is bad. I wanted to put all this transition, but you can see it's just the same thing. You just left click, you drag, you drop where you think you want it to be. You left click, you drag, you drop where you think you want it to be. You left click, you drag and drop where you want it to be. So when it loads, you see all of them. As far as it's when the transition adds, you see all of them will be giving you this arrow icon that is given here. So let's see how it looks like from the first transition. Come back. Okay, the network is being slow. So let's play and see how it looks
The
like.
lawn was trimmed, the mailbox closed, and the curtains hung exactly where they always had. But the front door was slightly open. Neighbors noticed it first. At first, no one thought much of it. But as the morning passed, a faint sound drifted from inside the
So you can see the effect of the transition between the first image and the next one, how it just went. So that's just it. So after this point, please remember you adjust all of these images to just fit into the voiceover perfectly how you intend it. So you can see after all this process, the next thing you need to do is just to click on export. You can see export, you click on export. Once you click on export, file name, you now put the name, the title, that title you have from your script. That title you have from your script is what you are going to put here. Your title from your script. Network is slow. Network is slow. Network is slow. Title from your script is what. Let's say, let me just put manga here, for instance. Manga. Then store in cloud. You off store in cloud. You turn it off. You get back. Now, after turning it off, you can see the quality of the images. Your video quality. If you want 4K 10 by 80p 70 to 720, you just choose, but me mostly I use the high quality. Then you click on export. Now once you click on export, it's going to show you that this is how it's going to show. Once you are on this page, please do not minimize, just allow it. It will compress the video and download it for you directly to your file manager. So just leave it. It's going to work on the exporting and everything, and the quality will be very, very, very good. So that's it on using Clipchamp for creating your content. You can see it has started loading. This project is going to be great. You can see it's loading. So that's it on creating you're editing your videos with Clipchamp. I'm also going to show you another software that you are going to use. I'm also going to show you another different AI tool that you are going to use to create everything in one place. Everything in one place, and that's going to be very, very interesting. Hopefully, maybe this night or any other time, I'm just going to show you that it will make things more faster and more easier for you. Thank you very much.